Hello, it's Kathy Bradley with Kathy Bradley and the Angels. Taking an early morning walk, and it was brought to my attention to see the little inchworm moving along, steadily progressing. And I'm reminded to share with you, when you reconnect with the wisdom of your soul and you keep following your heart, this leads you to the path. And sometimes we pause like the little inchworm is, just to make sure we're going in the right direction. And yet if we don't take these moments to pause and look within, sometimes we may lose sight as things change and flux around us. Oh, there he goes, into the greenery. Seeing which way he wants to go, looking around, following his senses to see which is the best direction for him or her. Okay, that's my little video that I was called to take today. Follow your heart in everything you do. Blessings.